Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Thinkific and I'm going to share all the important things that you need to know. The first thing I'm going to start with are pricing plans. Then I'm going to review the features, and then I'm going to show you around how we can use Thinkific. And one thing before I'm going to review the pricing plans. If you want to learn how you can grow your own YouTube channel to get more course sales or even grow your community, you're going to find a link down below in the description. It's a free group in which I'm teaching you step by step how you can manage your channel, and it will be a pleasure to have you there. So see you right there. Now let's start with the pricing plans. You're gonna have the free, basic, start, and grow. So what I really like about Thinkific comparing to, let's say, Teachable, is that you're gonna have 0 transaction fee on all the plans. So even if you want to start out, you're gonna have a 0% transaction fee, where when I'm going to scroll down below and I'm going to complete feature list, you can have one published course and you can have current students unlimited, which is pretty good. Yes, features wise, you're not going to have like all the features, but the basic stuff you're going to find right there. Then you can have the basic, which is going to be €38 a month, and then start. It depends if you want to have like monthly or annually. Now, what I also like is that even the basics, you're going to have a lot of things that you can use, but you're not going to have like assignments here, there, certificates, paid memberships, all those things you're not going to have in the basic. In the start, you're going to have. So for me, what I think about pricing plans is that they are pretty good. The only thing that I don't like is that remove Thinkific branding, you have only on Grow. And Grow costs €146 a month. I don't know how much is in dollars. So for me, still the start is sufficient, and for the price, I think it's good. So for the value they are, for the like features they are providing, Thinkific, for me, the pricing plans are all right. If it will be expensive, I will tell you straight away. Now let's focus on what you're going to actually get with Thinkific and what you're going to find here. So let's start with the pros of Thinkific. What I really like about Thinkific is that how easy it is to use it, and it's definitely beginners friendly. So let's say about the courses, I'm going to show you how you can create the courses. You're going to click new course, and here you can have like pre-sale, mini course, flagship course, webinar replay, or even membership resource library. And then what I can do, let's say I've created a course right here. When you will, let's say, would create it, you're going to have the chapters, and in those chapters, you're going to have lessons. What you can do is to just click here, add a lesson. And these are the things that you can add. Comparing to the alternatives of Thinkific, what I like is that with Thinkific, you're really going to like care about the student, because you're going to have like quizzes here, assignments, exams, survey, live presentation. Then even you can drip the content. What you can do is that, let's say when I have a video right here, I can add downloads directly to lessons. And then you can have like make this a free preview lesson, or enable discussions for this lesson. So you can have even discussion here. And when I'm going to preview it, let's say all courses lesson. So this is how it looks like, what the student is going to see. You can have discussion right here, and people can like complete it and continue to, let's say, PDF file, or even to YouTube lesson, or even to the quiz they need to like do. So the course creation is an amazing thing. The next two things that I really like is that you can have your own communities and memberships, and communities are working great too. So now I'm going to click here on the communities. I'm going to click on a community. Here I'm going to have like a post, a spaces, those like categories, or even events. So that's something that you can have in Thinkific. Now when I go back, you can have also membership here. So let's go back here, admin dashboard. And the next thing I really like is that how you can design your site. You can have free themes here that you can like activate, or you can even import a theme. And here comes also the con that you're going to have with Thinkific, but that's something that I like, is that it's super simple to build a site, but it's pretty limited how we can build it. Comparing to FryCard, comparing to SomeCard, Thinkific is all right, but if you want to have it on another level, I would definitely recommend use like third-party tool for the landing pages. So when I'm going to edit the page, let me show you how you can edit it. Here you can have sections like banner, checklist, countdown timer, curriculum, call to action, and I can click plus here, or I can edit the banner. I can delete the section, or I can click plus here and add these sections to my site. So you can create like great looking site with Thinkific. But if you just want to push it for a sales page, it's not going to be enough. For the beginners, perfect. And if you're going to sell more and you want to like improve the sales page, you want to go another level for the next level, let's say even, then I would definitely recommend choosing a fry card, sum card, or ClickFunnels, or something that is going to allow you to put yourself on another level. So that's like a good thing and bad thing. Yes, you can build a site, but it's limited how well you can optimize it and change it, you know? But still, I will rate it like it's okay. Now, when I go further, I want to show you something. Then you're gonna find like a theme library, categories, market and sell. So you can have like order bumps that you can have. You can have coupons. You can have even affiliates here, and all of that you can add to your site. Then you're gonna have analytics where you're gonna have like student engagement, enrollments, revenue orders, and this is something that you're gonna have for the grow. So you need to have like grow to have enabled this analytics. This is like another con. Next thing that I don't really like about Thinkific is that you don't have options to send emails, and you don't have any leaderboards. So let's start with school community, which I focus on building the communities there, etc. You're gonna have the leaderboards here, where you're gonna have like leaderboards. But in Thinkific, you don't have leaderboards. You don't have something like that. Yes, you have the certificates, you have the progress, you have the assignments, you have the quizzes, but you don't have the leaderboards. Also, you don't have the email option, so you can't really send emails to your students. So what you have to do is you need to use like ConvertKit or something like that also. So that's like another thing to know. And that's pretty much it about the Thinkific. You can connect it to, let's say, to PayPal. And yeah, so if you can have any questions regards Thinkific, if you should use it or if it's a good platform for you, let me down below in the comments. To summarize it, for me, it's one of the, I like this. I just really love Thinkific for some reason. I really like that how easy it is to set up the courses, the communities. Also, I like is that you can have option to design your site. You can import it. If you're gonna write to Google Thinkific examples, you're gonna have like a plenty of examples that people are using. And you're gonna have a site here. That you can check out like what they are actually building also. So for me, Thinkific I rate is like 4 out of 5. Yes, it's missing the email function. You don't have the digital downloads, or you don't have the course. You know how it's called, like one-on-one coaching. But still, if you want to, you can add a code to your, like, I don't know, a lesson where, okay, this is my coaching that you can use from Calendly, but you don't have it built in directly in Thinkific. So that's something that you need to know. And yeah, if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments. That's pretty much from me to you about Thinkific. And have a great day and goodbye.